Hi, I'm Nandita. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you a high-protein vegetarian meal called the Quinoa Tofu Bowl. So this recipe has a few components, but it's a perfect example of how doing some meal prep makes it so easy to put together a healthy, high-protein meal. The main ingredient of our bowl is quinoa, which I've cooked and kept ready. The second component of our bowl is a sauce, which is so essential to any bowls because it adds so much flavor and it just brings all the other ingredients together. So I'm adding some chopped tomatoes, and all these ingredients can be roughly chopped because we're going to grind this anyway to a fine puree. Next, we're going to add roughly chopped onion, some whole cloves of garlic, a few cashew nuts, cumin seeds or jeera, red chilli powder, a bay leaf, and some milk. Now I'll close the lid of the pressure cooker and we'll just pressure cook this for one whistle. So after one whistle, I've switched off the flame and I'm just going to keep this aside to cool, after which I'll remove the bay leaf and then grind the ingredients to a fine paste. So now we're on to our third component of the bowl, and we're going to make some chickpea patties, for which I'm adding some cooked chickpeas to this. There's some chopped garlic, and I have some mixed herbs here, finely chopped. If you don't have fresh herbs, you can also use mixed dried herbs or even the pizza seasoning sachets, etc. So anything works. It's just to add some extra flavor to this. And we're going to season this with some salt. Just mash this whole thing up with a fork. So our chickpea mixture has come together. I'm just going to make this into smaller sized portions, which we are going to pan fry on the grill pan. So our chickpea patties have been shaped. These are similar to falafel, but we're not deep frying them. We'll just be pan frying them on the grill pan. Moving on to our fourth and final component. We're just going to take some tofu slices. And for flavor, I'm adding some finely chopped garlic. And here are some mixed dried herbs. Seasoning it with salt and some olive oil. Just make sure everything is coated nicely in this mixture. So our tofu slices are coated with olive oil, garlic, herbs and salt, and our chickpea patties are shaped and ready. So let's fry them both in the grill pan. I'm just brushing the grill pan with a little bit of olive oil. So on one side I'm going to fry the tofu pieces, and on another side I will fry the chickpea patties. So I'm just brushing some olive oil on this side, and now I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to let this side cook for 2 minutes and then we can assemble our bowl. So now all our four components for the quinoa and tofu bowl are ready. There's cooked quinoa, there's tofu, there's chickpea patties and our sauce. So the fun part is to assemble the bowl. So we'll start with a layer of quinoa at the bottom. You can use brown rice or any other whole grains here, but the feature of quinoa is that it's a complete protein and it has all 9 essential amino acids. So it's a great choice for this dish. And now I'm going to add a few slices of the tofu. Next is the chickpea patties. So here is the sauce that I've made. It's ground to a fine puree like this. just add it on top of the ingredients. And you can always serve some extra on the side and then for a final garnish with herbs. So our quinoa tofu bowl is ready. Just amazing for a healthy vegetarian meal. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.